System. Now I am going to tell about dowry system. What is the opinion of mine about dowry system? There are many evils in our society. The dowry is one of them. The dowry is the greatest evil in our society nowadays. The dowry is not a new system or custom in India, but it is a very old custom of India. But those days, this tradition or custom is not a compulsion. But now, this become a compulsion. In those days, people gave willingly money, ornaments, and presents to their daughter at the time of their marriage. But now it has taken a very ugly shape in our society. It is a very bad custom of our society. It is very painful for the life of a girl, because a girl life is tortured physically, mentally due to this system. The people are becoming very greedy and more greedy. Their greediness have no bounds. Their greediness knows no bounds. The life of a girl is become a hell for this system, in my opinion, because sometimes some girls are killed by their own husband, who has oath to that they spend their life with each other for whole life, but they left this girl due to dowry. But sometimes some girls are killed, sometimes some girls are murdered, sometimes some girls are burnt into stove explosion or gas explosion. Sometimes some young girls are committed suicide. Their husbands are insulted again and again in their in-laws' house. Girls are also physically or mentally tortured in their in-laws' house. Sometimes some husbands left their wife so that they live a life like a widow in their own house, and she have no respect in their family. Our society also see the girl like a narrow-minded eyes. It is a very bad system in our society. Parents in the beginning collecting the money for the marriage of a girl, but at the time of their marriage, if they not collect a lot of money, then they take loan or sell their lands, precious gold items to their marriage. Whom the debt of this he fulfill his whole life. The parents nowadays not wanted girls, they wanted only baby boy. So it is of the girls in our country is decreasing. So our government should ban this system to check the baby in the stomach of a girl. So the government should also ban this dowry system in our society. Not only government, but the people of our society are responsible for this. A girl or boy should not take dowry or give dowry. A boy can understand that he should self-independent. When he think that he is able to feed a girl or fulfill his wishes, desires and needed, then he should go to marriage. And a girl must also be self-independent and not marry to any boy who want dowry. Then the boy and girl also both should have a feeling that they not marry any boy or girl who wants to take dowry or give dowry. Dowry is a crime to our society. It is a curse of our society. So that's all. This is my opinion about dowry system.